Hey everyone, it's Greg here from Rugosa. Welcome to the channel, and I hope to earn your like and subscription today. I just wanted to give a quick update on that asymmetric iron condor, the video that I posted yesterday. I closed it out this morning, and so I just wanted to wrap up, what all happened with it. Um, in the morning when I closed it out, you can see on the screen down here. I took a screenshot of where things were for you guys because I didn't have time to make a video. We're in the middle of trading and stuff like that, right? Um, and so at that time, the strangle was pricing 80 and a quarter to 82 and a half. Um, and I got out, what was it, 81 and a quarter. It wasn't terrible given the time. And then I got out of the long put at 53 flat, and it was pricing 52.75 and 54 and a quarter. So I got kind of killed on the spread there. Uh, the um, uh, the S&P MES, it was running, what was that, 75.57. Um, let's adjust the time. So I got out kind of right. Where was the time here? Boom, 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 boom. We need 28, 8:30. So that puts it 10, 10:30. I got out right around here, where you see on the thing. you know, I pretty much top ticked at the time that I got out. I top ticked my exit. Um, it felt like VIX was moving up. Um, and here's the VIX. Where were we at the time here about that? VIX was coming down, but it was starting to move back up again. Right here, this little move up. And I thought, hey, you know what? Be um, we could still have more to run, and we did. But like, look, it went like 75.56 to 75.62. Like, I ended up being worried about 5 points. The big reason why I closed this thing out was because I needed to release some excess liquidity to go and start scalping some weeklies. And then I found out that I can't, because even though Interactive Brokers is showing now the margin requirements on the cash settled weeklies for the micro e minis, you cannot route the order yet through them. They will not accept it. So, c'est la vie. Uh, let's see where the strangle is currently pricing at like 89. You could probably, or sorry, 79. Which means that I lost out on like 2 points. And let's go look at what that, let's be masochistic here, and see what the put is currently trading at, because, we sold off apparently. For some reason, I don't always get quotes for the stuff after hours that I had closed out on. Uh, it's a little bit, we might have to look at big contract. Yeah, let's look at the big contract. But you know what? As Liz Durking and Jenny Andrews from Tasty Trade say, uh, there is no crying in trading. Uh, yeah. All right. So what are we here at? Is this the right one? November 20th. Yeah, November 20th. 63.50. 63.50. Okay, so that thing is pricing 55. You could probably close the thing out for 56. I closed it out for 53. So I lost 2 points on closing the short strangle and 3 points on the long put. which means I left 5 points on the table, and overall on the trade, I made a grand total of like 2.5 points. So I left more money on the table of closing this thing out than than I made. But that is trading. That is trading. Um, let's just look at the MES here, and I'll show you guys what Interactive Brokers is currently showing here. Let's pull up the 5-day cash settled. So you're putting it through here. It is showing you your margin. You go to let's put something that is it's not going to. All right, see, your order's not accepted. This product's not available for trading. Yesterday, we could not even see the margin impact. So, that's all. It's all good. At least it's going in the right direction. The reason why I did not close out my long call was because, I figured, hey, it's already there. Why get some slippage to just put on another hedge, another gamma floor, stuff like that, right? And at the time, it made a lot of sense. I was only down like 1 point on the contract. That's like, who cares about 1 point? And yeah, then you find out you can't trade what you wanted to trade. So this this is what trading in the real world looks like if you guys are just brand new. Things happen, and if you don't check what your broker is doing before you go to do something, sometimes you're in for a bit of a surprise. But yeah, just giving you guys a bit of an insight on what all happened. Have yourselves a great evening, and we'll try this game tomorrow. Happy trading.